English shortened dictation 70 words per minute. Topic addressed by the President of India Shri Ramnath Kovind at the convocation ceremony of NIT Roorkela. See the description link. I will write some difficult words in this passage. Practice that words, then take a dictation. Okay, start. It gives me immense pleasure to be here in the 18th convocation of NIT Roorkela. I feel delighted to know that NIT Roorkela is celebrating its Diamond Jubilee this year. This area of today's Odisha has been immensely rich in history and culture. It has been the cradle of scientific approach since early times. Built about 800 years ago, the Sun Temple at Konark is an example of perfect blend of art and science. I am looking forward to my visit to the temple tomorrow. It is listed among UNESCO's World Heritage Sites in India. Odisha is associated with the rebuilding of our nation. After independence, it was here in Roorkela that one of my illustrious predecessors, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the first President of India, dedicated to the nation the first blast furnace of a large steel plant in India. As one of the first industrial urban centers in India, the city has kept pace with modernization. As the second largest government run technology institute in Eastern India, NIT Roorkela has made significant contribution to the field of engineering and technology. For over 6 decades, this engineering college has been enriching the pool of technical professionals in the country. In 2022, it was given the status of National Institute of Technology. I am told that the young students are being exposed to innovative methods of providing engineering solutions to the issues facing our society and the country. I am pleased to know that NIT Roorkela has students from all over India and also from other countries. I am pleased to know that NIT Roorkela has students from 33 out of the total 36 states and union territories of India. I am told that students of 17 different countries are also enrolled in various academy disciplines. Thus, the community of over 7,000 students studying in this beautiful 700-acre camps represents rich diversity. It increases cross-pollination of learning and promotes understanding between different cultures. It also strengthens people to people ties between nation. Stop.